Hi there, welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda, and a big welcome to you. Today, we're going to be utilizing what's in my freezer. Got to use up these leftovers. 322. The pork loin, and with that, we're going to be doing black beans and rice. You also want to make sure that you look for any foreign material. Sometimes there can be little pebbles in here, so you want to make sure that you discard those before soaking. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, I've sorted through them, I've rinsed them, and now I'm just going to put them in my pot because I'm going to do the quick boil on it, which only takes, a couple of hours. I need at least 4 cups of water. I'm gonna put in 2 more cups of water because I want it to boil, and it'll take the water out once it's boiling. So I'm gonna put 2 more in. All right, perfect. Put that on high. Okay, our black beans are boiling. I've chopped up my onion, and I'm just going to rough chop the garlic. And I'm gonna add in I've got 2 tablespoons of cumin, a tablespoon and a half of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper that I'll be putting in there. And I forgot, I'm going to add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Okay, I'm gonna add our onions. Now, from time to time, you'll probably have to check the amount of liquid in here because we're going to be simmering this for a few hours. My bay leaves, my spices, and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Our black beans have been cooked and I've moved them to the warmer. They're looking really, really nice. Oh, can you smell that? Smell that. Oh my goodness. And smell the garlic and the cumin, the oregano. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, yes. Now we're going to get our rice and we're going to heat our pork loin up. We're just going to warm up that pork loin, low temp, just to warm it through. Here it is. You can top this with your favorite hot sauce. Go check out Mike. He's got a hot sauce company. But right now, all we have is Frank's. Oh yeah. Beautiful. If you want, You could put some sour cream, anything you want. That pork roast came out beautifully.